Hey guys, I'm Mike, this is Chantel, and our daughter Veronica. Follow us along as we restore our vintage RV so we can take it to some amazing places in our province of Alberta. So far this winter we've finished our shop, got everything insulated and dried in so we can get our Winnebago inside for the winter. And now we've finished working on the water tank and started doing our PEX lines. Subscribe and follow us along so you don't miss any episodes. Alright guys, well today we are going to install our PEX lines, and if you haven't followed us along already, you know last episode we installed the water tank. That went pretty well. Happy with how that turned out. Now we'll do the PEX lines and we'll see how that goes. This PEX line, so you can get one of these tools, they cut it. Right. Start off with a small piece here. Cuts through that like butter. And these clips, these will go straight over top of this. Flows that way, so this will go on to here. Got our big crimpers here. Just like that. And that's on there. Alright. I love how easy those are. Good and tight. Alright, so here's what I got rigged up so far. This guy will fit right down on in here like that. This guy's gonna pop right down in here like that. And this one right here will go over to the hot water, and then from the hot water we'll come out and we'll carry on all the way down to the sink and the shower.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good
And move on to the hot water now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Now all I gotta do for the hot water is connect this guy to there, come out from the hot, run the same thing. One for the sink, one for the shower, and we're good. I'm pretty happy with that. PEX is freaking quick and easy, I tell you. I love it. And of course, we'll have to get one for the wall and put one in there. Gonna get two like this, so that way I can put some Teflon on here. This can thread into the tank, and then when I get that nice and tight, all I have to do is push the PEX line on to make a connection. Pretty easy to work with, this PEX stuff. It's a lot better than that cheap plastic stuff you buy at the RV store. It's a pain to work with. This stuff I know will last a lot longer because it's made for your house. Oh, will stand the test of time as long as you winterize it every year. Should go good. This is probably the hardest part, is when you get into a tight spot to crimp these. Sometimes you gotta do a little bit of maneuvering. But these sure are easy to use, these these crimping tools. Really nice. And these are nice and handy too. If you do buy a set of crimping tools, a lot of them come with these. Super handy for cutting pegs. Quick, easy, done. And don't just buy a few of the 90s and the T's, because guaranteed you're gonna run out. You're gonna go back to the store. You're gonna have to buy more. So being in the situation that we're in now, buy a box. They're not much more money. And don't go for the push-ons, because the push-ons are $20, $18 a piece, $15 a piece, wherever you are. Perfect. We'll go like that. Very happy with that. Guys, super happy with how everything turned out, and we'll have to get another fitting, 2 more fittings, and hook those up. Finish the countertop here, get a sink installed and our bathroom tub, and once we get all that done, we can test everything out. And we'll get cracking on it, get everything done here, hopefully by the end of winter, and be able to enjoy this thing this summer. So if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and until next time, we'll see you later.